demons of boredom and junk food strike again. But don't worry, citizens. Super Snack Hero is here to save the day. Today, we're making power skewers. First, we always make sure we have super clean hands. Run to the sink and give them a thorough scrub. Safety first. Here are our power crystals for today. We need red power, strawberries, green energy, green grapes, and blue focus blueberries. Ask your grown-up to cut them into perfect shapes. Okay, grab your super skewer stick. We're going to build a rainbow of power. Red, then green, then blue. Gently push the fruit onto the stick. Be careful. Don't forget to leave space at the end to hold it. Mission accomplished. Look at that. A portable powerhouse, ready for action. You can make lots of these and keep them in your super snack base, the fridge, for when you need a power-up. That's it for this mission. Next time, we'll battle the forces of soggy salad with a super delicious trick. See you next time, and stay healthy! The villain Soggy Salad is back, making everything mushy and sad. But we know that Crunch Power is the key to defeating him. Today, we're making the deconstructed Power Box. Quick check. Do you have super clean hands? Awesome! Soggy Salad can't fight us if our hands are clean. To get our Crunch Power, we need lots of different shapes and textures. Look at our ingredients. Power discs, cucumber slices, bell pepper strips, tiny trees, broccoli, golden coins, carrot circles, chickpea puffs, mighty meats. Optional, cubed cheese and chicken. Now for the special part, the power box. This box has separate rooms so our crunchy friends don't get soggy. You get to be the super chef and choose what goes in. No boring, mushy dressing. We keep our dressing in a tiny secret container. It's the super dip, and we dip our crunchy items instead of pouring it on top. Mission accomplished. We defeated Soggy Salad by keeping everything separate and crunchy. Plus, you made all the choices, so you know exactly what is in your super box. We learned how to separate our crunchy snacks. And next episode, we will learn how to separate our feelings. We're starting a new mission called the Mirror Game. Join us!